La entrada de la Alamo. Be silent, friend. Here heroes die to blaze a trail for other men. Look. Whoa. Wales, Texas, Mexico, Scotland, Ireland, Germany, England, and Denmark. What'd you get? Come on, why don't you put it down for just a minute, okay? We're good. Oh, that's cool, dude. All right, put it down for just a minute. Let's check this out while we're here. You want me to hold your phone for a minute? I know, it's okay. We'll play in a minute. Look, it's just, it feels good here. I want you to see this. This is real important. Look, this is Texas. Not. Look, Jordan. Tennessee. That's what you're gonna do? You're gonna shoot me with it if I don't take you out to eat?
No. You go out.
Oh, don't run into me. Crazy, yeah. We're about to go somewhere cool. You're gonna go see something really cool in a minute and go eat. We're gonna go eat on the river.
Eat on that river?
Yeah, a rio.
Here's the river.
That's the exit right there, isn't it?
No, you can't go out there. They need some signs. You have to go around.
Hey, I think you go this way.
I would have done the same thing.
Jay-Z has a line that says, don't bark at that tree, for that tree may fall on you. You know, so I'm gonna give you the same advice. Be careful when pulling on the tree.
I can't help it. So somebody, that Shady, that was my apprentice. He's a little boy that's always in the store, got to touch everything.
That is me as well. Touch it just to see what's gonna happen. I'm curious, you know.
Touch everything.
It might work, it might not.
Oh, my shoulder was on fire.
Man, mine too. Like, I'm burnt. When I
was
took a shower last night, I was like, oh.
We put some Alamo on last night.
I didn't put any on like an idiot, you know. So.
Auburn's got empty squirt guns and a beach ball.
I bet he loved that.
And there was two little boys. They were a lot older than him, but they wasn't much bigger than him. In the pool, I got put my hand right here and flipping them. Up on my shoulder was so
Oh, I bet. Because he's a lot heavier than he looks, you know, and I'm sure they were too. Well, I was gonna joke, or like, did they leave the air conditioner when they took this building over? But luckily they did.
Just take it out. Be thankful for it.
mission. How cool is that? There's the well, the water well. Here. There's a couple of them. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. It's Robert White. Jacob Walker, Asa Walker, Tennessee, Joseph Washington. Gotta love our Tennessee history in the middle of the Alamo. Yeah, there's people from all over. George Washington. Get that. Toribio de Soya. I don't know who that is.
King.
Bill Mills. Look, Bill Mills. William Mills. Mr. Bill Mills. Yeah, there it is. I told you, David Crockett from Tennessee.
Tennessee, they are anywhere.
Well, that's why we're the volunteer state. That's a big deal. Excuse me. Very cool. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. What do you think about this, bud? It's cool. Don't like it. Sorry, you're sweaty. I know. Excuse me. Cannon. He's got a Carlos Correa shirt. Look at that. Excuse me. It's a Herbalife convention here right now. Check that out, dude. A full-out cannon.
You can actually touch it because it doesn't say do not touch.
Looks like we're gonna have shade all through there.
Wow. Isn't that cool? It's called a Palisade cannon. Yeah, it is hot. That's a fact.
Piece of candy.
I don't know that that's what it is, but it will be in. I don't know if it'd be cool or not. Can't be hotter than